Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Police Knew She Was Hiding Something. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Drowsy is dangerous, but is it illegal to sleep in your car? While laws against sleeping in your vehicle vary from state to state, certain parts of Florida make it illegal to sleep in your car. And depending on where you park, that quick catnap could be interrupted by flashing sirens and a cop tapping on your window.
It's the sheriff's office. So, how you doing? What's going on?
I'm traveling, and I stopped to just take a nap because I was too tired and I didn't want to fall asleep at the wheel.
Okay.
That's all.
What are the pills in the back there? Are those prescribed to you or no?
Yeah, they are.
Can I see them?
Yeah. Which one? I'm sorry, where?
The orange ones on the ground. Do you not see the orange bottle of pills on the ground?
Oh, the red one? This one? Oh, sorry. This one?
Yeah.
Actually, this one's my stepdad's. Sorry.
It's your stepdad's?
Yes.
Do you have a
March.
patent? Okay. Let's get a patent. Have you taken any of that today?
No, I haven't.
Is he traveling with you?
Not right now, no. He lives in Charleston, South Carolina.
Okay.
But he just, I live in Orlando, and he just moved back down to Charleston. So, I traveled back and forth from Charleston to Orlando.
There's your PC right there.
She's lying. Lying. You know how you could tell, because whenever she's answering questions, she can't look at the officer. She's either looking down, or she's looking over to the side, or she's, come on. No. Lying.
Basically every single weekend.
What's that?
Is her name Amber?
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm sorry?
What's your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. What's that?
Walgreens prescription bag right here for
Do me
Amber.
a favor and hop out of the car while we're talking.
Yeah.
You can take the dog with you too if you want.
It's fine, I'll leave.
Okay. Is he gonna jump out or bite any of us or anything like that?
No, he shouldn't.
Is that your purse over there?
Which one?
The one on the ground?
Yes.
Are those prescription bottles yours?
No.
No?
Those are my sister's.
What's her name?
Amber? What?
Okay. Did you pick them up for her? Is that how that works? Where are you coming
Yes,
from?
sir. Orlando.
Orlando?
That's where I live, yes. Orlando.
So you headed to Orlando?
I'm headed to Charleston, South Carolina.
Okay. For what?
So that's where my entire family lives.
The issue is Jennifer, Amber, what's her name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. The issue is that you have two different people's prescription narcotics in your car, okay? So this deputy is going to search your car, okay?
Fine.
Is that, do you want to hold the dog so we're not messing around with him?
yeah.
Do you have a leash for him that you can?
I do. Let me
No.
just find his leash really quick and I'll...
Who's this car registered to?
My stepfather.
Okay.
So I was just telling him I'm a co-signed owner
Okay.
on the financing, but I think whenever the finance company did the registration, I believe it's just under his name.
So when you just grab the dog and the leash, but don't grab anything else from the car, okay?
The female's suspicious behavior led officers to believe that she was hiding something from them, but soon she started making some damning confessions.
Ma'am, your first name is Jennifer?
That's correct.
Jenniffer?
That's correct.
You have a driver's license out of Florida?
I do. But to be completely honest with you, it is suspended.
Okay.
Wait, did she say her name is Jennifer or?
I'm sorry, officer. Just to correct you, first name is Amber.
Your first name is Amber?
That's correct. I said Jennifer because of the license being suspended. I didn't want you guys to find anything else to suspend it.
So is your name Amber or Jennifer?
It is Amber, yes. Ashworth is my maiden name.
Is it still your date of birth?
Yes, that is my maiden, yes.
I'm wondering if she's got warrants because
A-M-B-E-R? 223. 1065, name and date of birth out of Florida.
I apologize for going to you guys. I just, like I said, my license is suspended. I'm working with a lawyer trying to fix it, and it's just been...
First name's Amber. Hey, her first name's Amber.
Yeah, she just gave that to me too. Yeah, Amber.
So when we ask you, are those your prescription pills?
They are, yeah.
So why'd you tell me your name was Jennifer?
I was just telling this officer, my license out of Florida is suspended, and I'm working with a lawyer trying to get it fixed.
So you just committed a crime right now? Just avoid, you weren't even driving a car. You just committed a crime. You just provided false ID to law enforcement.
I know, I just told him, you know, when I gave him the information, I gave him the correct...
But you already did it. You already gave me the wrong information.
We told all three of us that your name was...
Yeah, because you're lying. You know what I'm saying? You can't give false identification to an officer. Like, come on. And it makes the officers pissed off because it's like, yeah, like he was saying, you weren't even driving. You were just parked. You know what I'm saying? It's not, you just made it a bigger deal than what it really needed to be. You know what I'm saying? If you were suspended, you're suspended, but they didn't actually catch you driving. You're just technically parked, even though we could put two and two together and figure out that you were driving because you just didn't teleport there. But technically, you weren't driving when they caught you.
Is Jennifer your sister?
Yes, she is.
Okay.
She got someone else's DL on her purse too.
Just be upfront.
I know,
Okay.
I know. And that's why
We
I told
we
you
can
that,
work
'cause
we can work with a suspended license. We can't work with lying.
She's got a bunch of stuff in here. To Jennifer. There's a right there too. And that's the one to Jennifer.
Oh yeah, she a junkie.
I mean, I think it is. If it's the same as like Suboxone.
These are my sisters, Jennifer.
Okay. It doesn't mean you can just have it in your car though without her being here. You know what I mean?
She actually left it in my car yesterday.
I know, but
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it just doesn't look good for you, you know? I mean, like, I get it, right? Like, I pick up my wife's prescriptions and everything, but they're usually still in the prescription bag when I do that. You know? So, I don't know.
Those.
Do you still have your cigarette package on you, or did you take that?
Yeah, it's right here.
Can I just check that real quick?
Yeah, sure.
And you just put it on the ground for now. I'm putting on some gloves.
But yeah, no, the ones that I just picked up were mine. The
Oh, you
ones
got
that
it.
were out of the bag and in my purse. Those were
Okay.
mine. And yeah, the other ones. Yeah, my sister told me she left her box in my car yesterday because we were traveling yesterday. Also, I was telling him I'm basically traveling and driving for like 3 days. You know? And
Honestly, that's smart because she did take this pack of cigarettes when I smoked cigarettes. Maybe she stuffed something in the cigarette box. So that is smart for the officer to want to check the cigarettes.
And who has the pen on top?
that's my stepfather.
Okay, what's his name again?
David. He's the one that's registered. Me and him are both on his car.
Okay.
The female was in possession of 3 prescription drug bottles, apart from the one that was prescribed for her. None of the bottles were properly sealed, and although dated only a week earlier, they were significantly used up.
I mean, I'm like, you know, I'm not into any illegal activity, you know, so drugs will be in my car, you know, nothing like that. Like, it's, you know,
So
worst thing.
if you would have said, if you would have gave us your real name the first time,
it was
okay,
stupid. It was absolutely stupid.
it's pretty easy to. It's pretty easy to determine that. Okay, those are your prescriptions, all right, and then this is your stepfather's car.
Yeah.
His prescriptions are in there.
Yeah.
Okay. But then you give us your sister's name, then you have 2 different people's prescriptions in the car.
Yeah.
One of them's not related to the car at all.
Yeah. No, I get it.
So that's why we're out here, and then you say that you're lying to us. How do I know you're not lying about taking those prescriptions?
Dog back in the car?
Yes, I put him back in there.
Okay.
Since you guys were done searching.
Nice. What's his name?
Odin.
Odin. Hey, buddy.
Odie. He pretty much answers to anything.
I'm getting all excited.
Yeah. He loves attention.
Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not getting arrested.
You are.
You gotta take the rest. Can I
He loves attention. Yeah, the dog loves attention. Well, we about to give you some. Put your hands behind your back, man. Yo, she's like, I'm not getting arrested. Oh, yeah, you are. You going to jail today.
Yeah, well, let me ask you, do you have anyone to compost for your dog or no?
I mean,
Who's the closest person who can get that dog?
my boyfriend.
Where's he at? Okay, so I'm gonna take the dog to the Humane Society, and they'll hold it. You can call the Humane Society and come grab it, okay? It's gonna be the Humane Society of Flyward for Palm Coast.
What am I doing?
So right now you're being arrested for providing false name to Leo. Okay. The gabapentin, that's not yours, and the methamphetamine, that's not yours.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't tell me your name's Jennifer and it's, you know,
Yeah,
I mean, come on.
And like I said, I lied at first because of the license thing, and I shouldn't have. You know, I absolutely, I take full responsibility for that. I mean, if there's any way at all that you guys.
Once the cuffs go on, they'll come off, okay? So, what do you want me to do with that dog? You want me to leave like a phone number that they can call? Like, you have your boyfriend's phone number or what?
Yeah.
Do you not have it memorized?
No.
Okay.
Alright, let's walk over to my car over here.
And then what happens to their medications? Do they have to like?
It's gonna go into evidence.
Do they have to pick it up forever?
No, it's obviously as evidence against you, so it's gonna be marked into evidence until you go to court. So they're not gonna be able to get it back until you complete your court case.
But it's their medications.
Right.
They have to.
What else? What's in
mean-
your pockets and stuff?
Just my cigarettes and my lighter. And is it possible that I could take just a couple drugs before you put me on the car?
No. So I'm gonna take this out of your back pocket, okay? All right.
So the lighter's in here?
Yeah.
Where?
Okay.
All right. So we don't have a female deputy. So what I'm gonna do, I have to pat you down before I get in your car or
Yeah.
get in my car.
That's fine.
And use the back of my hand.
Okay.
Just stand up to the car. Nothing in your bra or nothing like that.
Nope.
Okay. You got another lighter in here.
Oh. I do.
You got two.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know that. I guess I do.
You got some change in here.
These cigarettes be having them fiend out, boy.
No. No.
All right. Anything on you or in you that's before we get to the jail? Now's your chance, because if we get to the jail, it's an extra charge. You understand?
Yep, I understand.
All right.
All this stuff, this can't go with you, like the lighters and the cigarettes. You want to have this go back in the car? Like your change in your AirPod case?
Yeah, that's fine. Like I said, the only thing that I would like to come with me would be just my purse with my medications in it and my.
Well, the jail's going to have medications. If you need to take them, like daily or every 12 hours or something like that.
They don't provide those medications.
Are they narcotics like the
One of them is, yes.
Oxy? They're probably not going to take those to the jail.
Well, I mean, they'll put them in with my stuff.
Yeah, but they won't let
They
you
won't.
have
Yeah,
them.
no, they won't let me have them. I just wanted it that way. Once I'm out, I have them.
Okay. All right, take a seat.
Yeah. And am I able to call my boyfriend and let him know about
Yeah, swing your feet in.
Oh.
I'm going to roll down the window so you can do that.
I was trying to ask, my car keys, I think, are in the passenger seat.
Yeah, they have to go with the tow truck.
It's being towed?
Yes.
Why? It's on private property. Why can't it just stay there?
So because you were in the vehicle, we searched the vehicle, we found your stuff in the vehicle, so it's using the commission of a crime.
Yeah, but I thought the only thing I'm being charged with is providing a false name. What is it?
You're being charged with the
I'm being charged with that?
Yes.
With what exactly?
It's a felony.
Oh my gosh, are you?
Gabapentin is a misdemeanor.
But they're prescription medications that are my family members, my immediate family members.
They're not yours.
Yes, that's correct. But I was taking them to them because they were left in my car.
The female was charged with 2 counts of possession of controlled substances and 1 count of providing a false ID to a law enforcement officer. YouTube.
Yeah, she's yeah, I don't think we really falling for that story. She was bringing her medications to her family or whatever that they was left in her car. Like, come on. Honestly, like, do you really think the cops are that dumb? Maybe the judge might fall for it. Maybe the judge might fall for that story.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.